Choose cat food that contains high-quality ingredients like meat, poultry, fish, and vegetables. Avoid products with fillers, byproducts, and artificial preservatives. Ensure that you choose the right food for your cat's age, activity level, and health needs. Kittens, senior cats, and cats with the health problems require different types of food. While dry food is convenient, wet food provides more moisture, which is essential for cats' hydration. Feeding a mix of both wet and dry food is ideal. Overfeeding can lead to obesity and other health problems in cats. Follow the recommended serving sizes on the packaging and adjust the portions based on your cat's individual needs. Treats should only make up a small part of your cat's diet. Too many treats can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Ensure that your cat always has access to clean and fresh water. Dehydration can lead to urinary tract problems and other health issues. Some cats may be allergic to certain ingredients in cat food. If you suspect that your cat has a food allergy, consult with a vet to find the best food for your cat. When introducing new cat food, do it gradually over a period of several days to avoid digestive upset. Proper storage of cat food is important to maintain freshness and prevent bacterial growth. Store dry food in cool and dry place and keep the wet food refrigerated. If you have any questions or concerns about your cat's diet, make sure to consult it with a vet. They can help you choose the best food for your cat's individual needs and health requirements.